Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MGM Plus on Firestick step by step clearly. To activate MGM Plus on your Firestick, first, power on your Firestick device. Make sure your device is connected to your TV and your internet. Once on the home screen, navigate to the search icon at the top left corner. Type in MGM Plus using the on-screen keyboard. Select the MGM Plus app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the installation to complete, then select Open to launch the app. On the welcome screen, you will see the option to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, click on Sign In and enter your credentials. If you need to create an account, follow the on-screen prompts to do so. Once logged in, you may be presented with a code on your screen. Now, grab your smartphone or computer and open a web browser. Visit the activation website provided in the app. Enter the activation code displayed on your Firestick. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. After successful activation, return to your Firestick. You can now enjoy all the content available on MGM Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.